Hello, welcome back. And for the second part of the test, this is the second section of the test. Basically, I'll be showing you the voltage protection capabilities of this device, because as you have already known, this is more like a 3-in-1 device. Not only does it handle your energy needs by protecting your energy consumption, by protecting you from overloading, it also protects you from abnormal voltage conditions. So this test is for abnormal voltage conditions. Let's take it on. So the system goes on, and okay, it's currently on. So we go to our menu. We hold our menu down to calibrate our voltages. So once you go to the menu, it switches off your load for safety. So we go to, from the menu, we move to minimum voltage. So we enter the minimum voltage, and it's currently 160. Remember, you can calibrate this from 110 to 180. That's the range for this device, from 110 to 180. So let's put it at 180 as our minimum voltage and see how it runs. Okay, so it's currently at 180. Let us accept. Minimum voltage has been accepted. So let's go for maximum voltage. Our maximum voltage is currently at 240. So for this device, you can calibrate it to from 230 to 300. So let's go down to 230. Let's go to 230. Okay, 230, and we accept 230, and we now save these two parameters. Let's go to save and exit, and we accept save and exit. The load is now back on because you're done with settings. So we'll now try to manipulate this voltage from source. We'll reduce this voltage and see what happens. And also we will increase this voltage to abnormal level to exceed what we have just calibrated now and see what happens. So now, first of all, let us simulate a lower voltage. Let's watch the voltage and see what happens. Currently it's at 206. Now let's drop it. The voltage is dropping. It's dropping to 188, 170. Okay, now it goes below. So it's now detected the low voltage. Is now beeping. Voltage fault. So it will continue like this until the fault clears. It will keep beeping like this until the fault clears. So let's see what happens when the fault clears. Let's clear the fault, and the voltage will come up again. Now the fault has cleared temporarily, but the device is checking to confirm that this fault has actually cleared. Now it has cleared properly and is reconnected your load. Now let's do the upper side. Let's simulate a higher voltage above 230 that we just calibrated. So the voltage is going up now. Voltage is at 220, 228, 229, 230. Yeah, so we have exceeded our calibrated max voltage. Is at 236. So as long as this voltage stays above that limit, this voltage fault will keep signaling this error. It's a voltage fault, so it keeps on still signaling, and as you can see, our load is off. So let us now bring back the voltage to the normal standard voltage and see what happens. coming down. Yes, it has gone down to the normal voltage, and the system will automatically reconnect our load. This has now reconnected our load, so everything is now fine and working perfectly. So this is a simple example of voltage simulation, or rather voltage protection from this device. Basically, with this device, you don't have to worry about excessive voltage or abnormal low voltage. It takes care of it and it keeps you safe. Thank you very much.